What do you think we regret the most? The things we did or the things we didn't do? As per researchers and various other studies, the things we did not do are the number one regret that people have in their lives. So, how can we minimize it? And how can we make sure that we actually live our life to the fullest and make sure that no matter what happens, we are happy, we are joyful, and we are living the life we want to? The number one thing we need for that is to back off from wrong decisions. We all make mistakes, we all make wrong decisions, we all go towards the wrong path. If we have to go straight, we may go this way or we may go that way. We make those kind of mistakes. But what matters more is if we are able to get back from those kind of negative situations, from those kind of wrong decisions, and start over again. What would you like? Would you like to go back 3 years in life, start again, and open up your own business, or spend 40 years in a job you dread? Most probably you'd choose the first option. But do you really have the courage to do so? Do you really have the power that it takes to unwind a decision, to back off from a decision and then go ahead, then take a new one and rectify it? Ask this to yourself. It may be difficult. It may not be very easy to answer this, but you need to ask this to yourself, because until and unless you don't do this, you will spend your life in wrong decision that you made just because you weren't too bold enough to back off, to admit that you were wrong. That is a very big problem. We don't like to admit that we are wrong. We like to be classified as if we are always right, but that's not the case. We all make mistakes. The presidents of our countries, our prime ministers, our leaders, all of them make mistakes, and so do we. What we need to do instead is normalize making mistakes, learn from them, rectify them, and then go ahead in life. That is a very simple step. So let me just give you my example. What happened with me today? I found out a software which I thought would be useful for my work, and I just paid for it without asking my mom, or without telling my mom that I'm going to buy the software. I did that. I got their pro license. I was going through everything, and then I realized, no, this isn't really useful to me. And then what I could have done was, oh my god, I made this decision now. I can't come out of it, right? I have to spend months using this license for whatever period I have brought. I didn't do that. I admitted that I was wrong. I admitted that I made a wrong decision, and I chose to back off from that decision and start over again. How? I talked to my mom. I told her I made this decision, but this isn't really useful to me, so what should I do now? She said, no problem, just cancel that and we won't get this money back. You can use it for the month or whatever duration it is if you need it. But consider this as if you learned a lesson. And the lesson that I learned today was that it is okay to admit that I am wrong and that I made a wrong decision, and I've learned how to back off from wrong decision and then start over again. In that way, you need to find out what wrong decisions you have made, what problems you have faced in your life, and if you need to rectify them or if you need to back off, take a few steps back and then restart your journey. Whatever it is, if you don't back off, if you live in life you don't like, if you continue to live in that ground, in that area of those wrong decisions, you will be full of regrets by the time you die. You'll be full of regrets of the things you didn't do, the things you truly wanted to do deep inside your heart. And the only way to do that is learn that you can back off, that it is never too late to back off, and that you can restart over again. Keep this in mind, keep this attitude in mind, and you will start to grow and you will start to live a regret-free life. Thank you very much for watching this video.